Since last year, October 2022, I have been thinking and trying to decide which boot to buy in Thursday boot. And I choose Stormking as my first pair of boot. Unboxing, begin. This socks was gifted by Thursday as Christmas present, since I ordered it in November 2022. The others were bought by myself from Jalira Denim, Mandalay, Myanmar. Nice packaging, I must say. This color gonna be changed when I put mink oil on it. Ha 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 ha. Saw some flaws. I don't know, that might be usual. I put mink oil to my left side boot. See the color difference? That side literally became darkened. This is the mink oil I used. Thanks for watching. I will upload the experience when wearing it later. See you soon.